In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folder in GitHub repository. By the end, you'll know how to add a new folder to your project directly from the GitHub website without using the command line. One quick note before we start. Git doesn't track empty folders. That means the way to create a folder on GitHub is to create a file inside the folder path. We'll do that together now. First, open your repository on GitHub and make sure you're on the main page of the project with permission to make changes. Near the top right, look for the Add File button. It's a small drop-down that appears above the list of files, typically near the green Code button. Click Add File to reveal the options. From the drop-down, choose Create New File. This opens the online editor where you can name and edit a new file. At the top, you'll see a field labeled something like Name Your File. To create a folder, type the folder name followed by a /, then the file name. For example, if you want a folder called docs, type docs followed by a file name like readme.md. The / tells GitHub to place the new file inside a folder. You can nest folders too, like docs guides in intro.md by adding more slashes. In the large editor area, add a small line of content if needed. Even something simple like a heading or a short note is fine. If your goal is just to create the folder, you can name the file something conventional, like .gitkeep or readme.md, so the folder has a clear purpose. When you're ready, scroll to the bottom to the Commit Changes section. Add a short, clear commit message describing what you're doing, such as Add Docs folder with README. Then click Commit Changes. Depending on your repository settings, you may see a confirmation panel. If prompted, click Commit Changes to finalize. You might also see options to commit directly to the current branch or to a new branch. Choose what your workflow requires. After the commit completes, you'll return to the repository file list. You should now see your new folder. Click into it to confirm the file is there and that your content saved as expected. If you ever need to add more folders, repeat the same process. Create a new file and use / in the name to define the folder path. Keep folder names clear and consistent. Avoid spaces when possible and use hyphens or underscores for readability. That's it. You've created a folder in your GitHub repository using the web interface.